Hey there, Tad Hargrave from marketingforhippies.com with the puttering session case study. This one comes from a woman I worked with who did kind of somatic-based trauma work. And she found that most of her clients, not surprisingly, were women and not a lot were men. And the men kind of didn't seem to be ready for it in a certain way. They didn't seem to have some of the foundations, the basics in place to take advantage of that. Women have been doing meditating and yoga and journaling for years, but the men not so much. And so one way to look at this is say, well, men are not your target demographic. They're not the one to focus on. It should be focusing on women. But I said another approach is you create a basics package. So men who've gone through trauma, know they've gone through something traumatic, want to heal it, but maybe aren't ready for the big medicine. And you have a foundations package that you sell for something that helps them get ready to do the deeper trauma work. So it helps them establish a regular yoga meditation practice, helps them get into journaling, helps them get in touch with their feelings a little bit, something really foundational, basic, that gets them to a point where they might actually really be able to take advantage of and see the value in the deeper somatic trauma work. So it's something to think about in your own business. If you have people who are showing up and they're not ready to work with you, could you create a package that would help them get ready? Like if a lot of them are missing some of these really fundamental foundational pieces, why not offer that? I mean, you could also refer out and have somebody else who you know specializes in that stuff do it and send those people to you. That could work. But maybe you could come up with an offer yourself. So simple, quick idea. Thought you might enjoy it. Hopefully you're all doing okay out there. We'll see you around. Marketingforhippies.com is my website. Hit the red button, the bell icon. You'll be notified when future videos happen. See you around.